If YouTube TV isn't casting to your Chromecast, it can be frustrating. This usually happens because of network issues, outdated apps, or device conflicts. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Chromecast and the device you're casting from are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Casting will not work if they're on different networks or guest networks. Step 2. Restart both devices. Restart your Chromecast using the Google Home app or by unplugging it for a few seconds. Then restart your phone, tablet, or computer. A power cycle clears temporary glitches that can block casting. Step 3. Update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's app store and update YouTube TV to the latest version. Outdated apps often fail to connect with Chromecast properly. Step 4. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. On mobile devices, ensure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Open YouTube TV and tap the cast icon, then select your Chromecast from the list. Step 5. Clear the app cache. If casting still doesn't work. On Android, go to Settings, open Apps, select YouTube TV, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the YouTube TV app to remove corrupted data. Step 6. Check your router settings. For casting to work smoothly, your router must allow device communication. Enable UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, and ensure multicast traffic is allowed. These settings help your phone and Chromecast find each other. Step 7. Factory reset Chromecast, last resort. If nothing else works, reset your Chromecast using the Google Home app or the physical reset button on the device. Then set it up again and try casting. After completing these steps, YouTube TV should cast to your Chromecast smoothly and without interruptions. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.